Hi, everybody. Stephen Kohler with Audira Labs. I was recently brought in to help coach a CEO and his executive leadership team. And what I realized very quickly in working with them is that they were not communicating, not collaborating very well. They were operating in silos. And as I got to work with them more closely, I realized that the missing link was deep, active listening. One of the most important skills that you can develop as a leader is learning how to truly listen. In music, it's no different. We're taught very quickly how to listen to the instrument we're playing, learning how to listen to those fellow musicians around us, and then learning how to listen to the space that we're in. I'd like you to think about how you can apply that deep active listening in your leadership journey. And to do that, I'm going to give you a quick example of a technique in music we call call and response. In call and response, one musician will play a piece. The other musician will actively, deeply listen to what the other musician has played, and then play back or respond to that first musician what he or she heard. And we're going to do a quick exercise here, and then I'd like you to think about how you can apply this in your leadership journey going forward.
Here's my call.
And my response. So that was an example of what we call call and response. Here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to practice this concept of call and response on deep active listening in your next meeting. Until then, keep rocking and check out audiralabs.com for more tips and tricks.